What's up? How can I help?
Hey, Deborah, can you help me with a commercial general liability quote?
Hi there. I would be happy to help you with a commercial general liability quote. To get started, could you please provide me with some information about your business? For example, what type of business is it? Where is it located? And what are your annual revenues? The more information you give me, the more accurate I can be.
Sure. It's for a landscaping business in Dallas, Texas, and they have annual revenue of around 400,000. And what was the other question?
Thanks for providing that information. I only had those two questions. Based on what you've told me, I can estimate that the average annual premium for general liability insurance for a landscaping business in Dallas, Texas, with $400,000 in annual revenue would be between $500 and $1,500. Some of the top carriers in that area would be Travelers, Hartford, CNA, Chubb, and Nationwide. Would you like me to provide you with more detailed information or explore other coverage options?
What if they had 5 employees compared to 10? How would that change the price?
That's a great question. The number of employees can definitely impact the price of a general liability policy. Since you're asking about general liability, the number of employees is less critical than payroll. However, more employees can increase the chance of injury, so underwriters watch headcount for concentration of risk. Also, the rates depend on the roles of the employees. To give you a more accurate estimate, could you provide the payroll for both the 5-employee and 10-employee scenarios?
The payroll for 10 employees would be $1 million, and for 5, it would be $500,000.
Okay, I can help with that. Since the payroll of 10 employees is $1 million and for 5 employees it is $500,000, the premium would be roughly half for the 5 employees compared to the 10 employees, all other things being equal. This is because premiums increase roughly linearly with size. Do you have any other questions?
I do. What if we went and added commercial auto to the policy?
Okay, I can help with that. Adding commercial auto to the policy will definitely change the premium. To give you an accurate estimate, I need a bit more information. Could you tell me 1, 2, what is the driving radius? 3, do the employees have good driving records?
They don't have good driving records. It's just for 2 F-150s, and it's just for local deliveries.
Okay. Thanks for the information. Since the employees don't have good driving records and it's for 2 Ford F-150s for local deliveries, I can give you an estimate. The average commercial auto premium is $1,200 to $2,800 per vehicle. Since the drivers don't have good driving records, the premium will increase by 10 to 20%. So for 2 vehicles, you're looking at approximately $3,000 to $6,000 annually. Would you like me to find some top carriers for commercial auto in your area?
That's okay. What's one thing they can do to get it lower?
Besides increasing the deductible and implementing safety measures, another thing the client can do to lower their premium is to improve their claims history. A clean claims history leads to credits, while past losses lead to surcharges.
How much does good driving record help?
A good driving record can significantly help lower commercial auto insurance premiums. While the exact percentage varies, having a clean driving record can typically reduce your premium by 10 to 20% compared to someone with accidents or violations.
Okay. Anything else that would be helpful to know?
There are a few other things that might be helpful to know. 1, location of the business can affect premiums. Each state has its own legal environment, medical costs, weather perils.
Okay. Well, thank you very much for your help.